How to create a sub-account user. By www.wecaa.com. After login to the cPanel from the client area, here we'll see the cPanel home interface. To access the user manager interface, you can click here, or you can write in the search bar user manager. Let's add a new sub-account. At the top right of the interface, click Add User. Now that we are on the Add User interface, we can enter the sub-account user's information. If your cPanel account includes multiple domains, your other domains will appear in this menu. Remember, when a sub-account user accesses any cPanel services, it uses the full username, which includes the domain. In this demonstration, the full username is jax@wecaa.xyz. cPanel uses the contact email address to send the sub-account user notifications and password reset requests. We must enter an email address that is not hosted on our cPanel account. Under Security Information, you can decide if you want to set the sub-account user's password, or if you wish to allow the sub-account user to set their own password. If you decide to allow the sub-account user to set their own password, the user will receive an invitation email to the sub-account contact email. The email will direct the sub-account user to the cPanel interface to set their own password. For me, I will select Set the user's password and click Generate to a secure password. When you click Generate, the system automatically generates a secure password. Now we will select which services the sub-account user can access. Email creates an email address for the sub-account. Web disk allows the sub-account to access web disk services for the cPanel account. If you wish to limit the user's quota or permissions for these services, you can select the limitations that you prefer. You could also create a sub-account without any enabled services. Click Create. The user manager interface will appear, and we see that cPanel created the new sub-account user and enabled our selected services.